Hello.
So today we are in Marrakech. We're staying at Maison Arabe, which is part of Cenizaro Hotels and Resorts. We're here because we won a competition, which is super great. We get to visit all of their different hotels. We've already been to Tunisia, so you can go check out that video. And now we're in Marrakech.
So let's show you around the hotel because it's amazing.
It's so good. You might be wondering why there's a portrait of Winston Churchill in the hotel. It's actually because this hotel is super old.
It is old, yeah.
So the hotel opened in 1946 and Winston Churchill used to come here to the restaurant and eat here all the time. He had a little corner table. So La Maison Arabe has 2 swimming pools. It has one at the hotel and it has one at the country club. We're now at the country club. They offer a free complimentary shore service here. It takes about 20 minutes to get here. There's a pool, there's a restaurant, it's super quiet, it's really peaceful. They give you a little welcome drink, they offer towels as well, there's also Wi-Fi.
We're in this little tent.
Sheltered.
It's our own little tent. Really cool chandelier thing.
Yeah, it's like a big double bed. It's a king size.
You get about 6 people on there if you wanted. Should we get one?
Yeah, should we get one?
With a pool?
For the garden? With a pool? Should we get a pool?
And a restaurant.
Just a stunning place.
It's too nice for us, man. What are we doing here?
We're in a competition.
Competition winners, mate.
So the hotel also has a cooking school, which we went and did a cooking class, so I'll show you some of that footage now. Oh, you mean the chef? Ooh. No.
Mine was on fire briefly. Is that bad?
Just set on fire.
Mine's set on fire briefly.
Oh, the flambe?
I don't know. Yeah, let's say yes.
Nice.
I don't think we were the best chefs there. Phil did make
Speak
a
for yourself,
good roast.
actually. I made a good everything. Everything I made was tasty.
Mine tasted good. It's just I don't think I did it with a lot of finesse. And I think every time she came over, she had a bit of a giggle. There's 2 restaurants. There's one by the pool that's at the hotel that sits around the pool. It's really nice.
Beautiful, yeah.
You have breakfast there. It's like a buffet. You can have omelettes, pancakes. And there's a restaurant on the rooftop bar as well, which is really nice. It's the same menu. They have Asian dishes and they have Moroccan dishes. Phil's ordered this.
Which is a chicken pastilla.
It's a traditional Moroccan thing.
That's what we think. That's what we think. Yes.
The lady at the cooking class told us about it and it's really good. So it's got chicken in it, cinnamon and apple.
Yeah, so it's like sweet and savoury, and then the whole thing is deep fried, which means it's also delicious. Very tasty, very tasty.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. We've really enjoyed staying here.
Big time.
Would definitely recommend it. And we will see you next Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Bye.
Bye.